lovely homemakers. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Raveena, a certified professional organizer and counselor, and I hope you're all doing well. Today I would like to share with you my organization of the cabinet under my kitchen sink. I've had a couple of requests for this one because I think it's the one space that we all tend to struggle a little bit with. But this can actually be a great space to store cleaning supplies or extra vases and candles and things like that. Now today I'm going to be showing you two very different ways you can organize your under the sink cabinets, one in my wet kitchen and the other in my entertainment kitchen. Starting with the entertainment kitchen, I'm just going to quickly show you what I've done here. Firstly, my dad has sweetly made a cover for my pipes and water filter using some mounting board. And although it takes up a little bit of extra space, it gives the entire cabinet a much cleaner look and leaves just a little bit of room on either side. Now, here on the left, I have this drawer organizer where I keep some of my Mrs. Meyer's detergents. And in front of that, I keep a stack of hand towels, which are really easy to get to when I want to change the towels on my towel stand above. Next to that, I have a few candles that I'm using for entertaining this season. And as you can see, my accent color right now is this lovely peachy pink. And over on the right, I have a couple of vases ready to go in case I want to put out some fresh flowers or if I have a friend bring me a bouquet for, when we entertain. And it's pretty much it. It's a small space and I've kept it simple and neat with all the things I might need for decorating around my kitchen. If you want to watch my full kitchen tour, be sure to click on the card above. Now my other cabinet is in my white kitchen, and this is where I keep most of my cleaning supplies and detergents. It's a pretty decent cabinet in size, but then the plumbing is also quite large, which is definitely something I wanted to cover up wherever possible. So this is what it looked like before, and as you can see, it is pretty neat, but I knew that I could maximize the space further and fit a lot more inside. Right at the back, there is a power socket. And if you do have one, there are two things you can do. If your area is very dark, then you would definitely benefit from plugging in a light. Or you can add one of these plug-in room fresheners from Bath & Body Works. I just added a lemon-scented freshener to give the cupboard a clean and fresh fragrance. Next, I needed some organizers and storage solutions which would also hide the plumbing. So after some measurements and research, I finally found the ideal solution. Surprise! Ikea organization. Some of you already know that even my pantry is almost 100% Ikea. And if you haven't seen my pantry tour, you can click on the card or use the link in the description box below. So, to utilize as much of the depth of the cabinet as possible, I added two plastic drawers on the side. Then for height, I have also used these Verriera cabinet inserts. I have a wider one below, and on that I have screwed on two smaller ones. Next to that, I have another large one, and then a small one which slides perfectly into the nook here lengthwise. Then I filled the drawers, added smaller containers for storage, filled the baskets with my detergent and the rest of my cleaning supplies. Let's start on this side. In the drawer, I have all my dishcloths, tea towels, and microfiber dishcloths. These are microfiber sponges which are available in the Japanese dollar store. I have paired each one off with a microfiber cloth of the same color. I use the spongy one for washing or wiping, and then the cloth for drying and polishing. The different colors are for the designated areas such as sink, hob and hood, and shelves. And in this drawer, I keep the kitchen sponges. These are the regular ones which I admit I go through pretty fast, mainly because we seldom use our dishwasher unless the kids are all visiting or we are entertaining. It's so much easier for each of us just to wash our own dishes. So these yellow ones are for our dishes. The blue and green ones are for drinking glasses. I find that washing glasses with a separate sponge keeps the glasses always smelling extra fresh. And behind here, I have some extra rolls of trash bags. Next, on this bottom tiered shelf, I have slid this metal basket with a handle for easy access. Here I keep my heavy-duty sponges from Scotch-Brite, a roach repellent gel, and this is a spare pack of antibacterial surface wipes. As you can see, a lot of my cleaning items are in this beautiful yellow color, which I decided to embrace as it is a great springtime color as well. Now above that, I've got these 2 Ikea bathroom containers. I have 2 long ones and 3 half-sized ones. I really like this for the kitchen as they are also stackable. Now in this long one, I have my heavy-duty scrubbers for pots and pans. I got these from Amazon, as well as these coconut husk ones from Grove, which I am yet to use. And on this side here, I keep my Brillo pads as well. And in this box, I have a roll of trash bags. I keep one end hanging out as it actually serves as a sort of a dispenser. Pull, tear, use, and the next bag is ready and waiting. Above that, I have the smaller containers. The first one, I have kept just my sink stoppers. This one holds my pan scraper for, bits or pieces that get stuck on. This last one has some of my new antibacterial hand soaps. And above that, this is just a soap dish that is not in use at the moment. I do pull it out with some extra sponges when we entertain, so family members or friends can help with the dishes. Over here on this shelf, I have an Ikea basket, which holds all my detergents and bottles. I only keep my kitchen-related detergents and stuff here, as we do have a utility bathroom and area to store items like mopping liquids and furniture polish. The basket keeps everything very tidy and accessible. Below that, I just have a couple of spare kitchen rolls, and right in front, I have this small vase, which is also from Ikea, and which is perfect for holding my bottle brush and a toothbrush I use for cleaning as well. And moving on to this last little space, I just have my stock of dishwashing liquid here at the back. And right in front, I keep a candle, which I like to light for a short while after I finish my nighttime kitchen routine. I really like to do this because it keeps my kitchen smelling fresh for the next day. And below that, I just have this room freshener again, because right next to that on the door, as you can see, I have my Ikea organizer that I'm using as a rubbish bin. If you have the option, I really recommend this tip because it's such a space saver and can really keep your kitchen from looking messy as you cook. And lastly, on the other door, I have a command hook with a binder clip just to hold my gloves. So everyone, I hope you've enjoyed this video on how I have organized 2 different types of under the sink spaces in my kitchen. I hope you will take back some ideas on how to get the most out of your cabinets as well. And do let me know if you have enjoyed these tips. Also, for those of you who are searching for a good cleaning and household management system, you can check out my 2019 Home Management Planner video from last week by clicking on the card above. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more organization videos. So until the next video, this is Raveena saying happy homemaking.